Abdullah Mamun, lecturer in the Dalutpur Girls Degree College, Dalutpur, Kustia. Our educational system is very low for the COVID-19. So, our board and our government advised to take online class. Our institutions is also emphasis to the teachers to take the online class. The previous class I discussed about the with clothes. Now I discussed about the without clothes. These questions is the questions now is 5. I have written a passage on the board. These passages or these clues are solved by me. We know that all species are dash for maintaining ecological balance. If on is dash the whole natural environment dash, in order to dash the environment from being spoiled, that we should therefore protect that wildlife. The good news is that many countries are now dash action to protect their dash wildlife. We should dash the earth's world dash to save ourselves. To be dash to mankind is to be kind to mankind. According to the meaning, we can use many kinds of the words to maintain the meaning of this sentence or passage. We know that all species are dash for maintaining ecological balance. So here we can get a answer important. Important. If we use the word important, the meaning is accurate. So the correct answer is important here. If on is dash the whole natural environment. If on is lost. If on is lost. Lost. If on is lost, the whole natural environment collapses. If on is so, if on is lost, the whole natural environment collapses or destroys. According to the meaning, we can use if on is lost, the whole natural environment collapses, destroys, alternate, and many other things. In order to dash the environment from being spoiled. So here we can use save. Save. In order to save, protect. In order to save or protect the environment from being spoiled, we should therefore protect dash wildlife We should therefore protect our wildlife. This, if we use our in question number E, this sentence provides a proper meaning. Our wildlife. The next, the good news is that many countries are now. The good news is that many countries are now taking if we use taking here, the meaning is the accurate, we can get the accurate meaning of this sentence. The good news is that many countries are now taking action to protect their dash life. Our wildlife. So here we can use our. The good news is that many countries are now taking action to protect their own wildlife. Their own wildlife. Own. Here, the correct answer is own wildlife. We should dash. We should dash. Save. We should save the world's, the earth's wild dash wildlife. Wildlife. We should save the earth's wildlife to save ourselves. If we use, we should save. Save is the correct answer here. The earth's wildlife, life is here the accurate answer to save ourselves. The next sentence, to be dash, to maintain, to be kind. Here, kind. To be kind to animals is to be kind mankind. So here we use the right answer is kind. According to the meaning, we can use here. So according to the meaning or and grammatical rules, this passage or this question is solved by us. No more today. The welcome to the student to join our class. Thank you very much.